Light, motion, time. Through these laws of classical physics, we construct our understanding of the universe. But quantum mechanics tells us they represent a blurred vision of reality, hiding probabilities so tiny our minds can't compute them. Can art illuminate our experience? Issam Kourbaj is a Cambridge-based artist, and this is his installation. It's an artistic response to what it means to be alive in the universe, for an exhibition inspired by the philosophy and science of Einstein.
I wanted to do something relating to my Syrian being in the hands of smugglers, in the hand of nature and boats and water, and there is the struggle of people and dignity of women and children. How could I dare to represent it? Actually, the word metaphor in itself is a boat. It transfers you from one place to another place.
The inspiration came from a 2,500-year-old Syrian artifact found in the Fitzwilliam Museum in Cambridge.
I installed inside these burnt matches. The idea of the burnt matches could be read in many different ways, but it's to do maybe with the birth of the light and the dying of the light.
Along with these, there are more than 1,000 paper boats filled with sand.
I'm really interested in multiplicity. The boats are many, but not specific. The sand is universal. It could come from anywhere and be anywhere. I like the idea of multiplicity of existence in this grain of sand.
Kourbaj grew up looking at the universe through a light box, and art and science often converge in his work today. He's used X-ray images to uncover the geology of our own bodies, investigated light, collaborated on a celebration of Isaac Newton, and worked alongside mathematicians to create an analemma sundial.
Scientists and artists are both curious creatures. What we do with our curiosity, what our tools are different, but our curiosity exactly the same.
For Nature Middle East, I'm Sarah Hiddleston.